Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our computer class. Hope you all are good, healthy, and happy. Okay, so today is the Sunday. So, what the special? Our computer class. So, inshallah, we will start our new chapter, third. Introductions to MS Windows 7. So but previous we have to complete some work. Okay dear all, what it is? Choose the correct option and write in the space provided. You should complete in the copy book as well as in the copy. This choose the correct option and write in the space provided. Then B, fill in the blanks and true and false. Okay, so alhamdulillah this chapter will complete it. So please and please, I have again request to you, send whatever your work completed. I am getting very less students work, so please I request again and again, whenever your child will get less marks, don't tell me anything, because I provide to you email ID. So still many parents are not sending the message. Starting when I told you before, it was good, nicely the answer came, but this Ramzan plus these days I did not get. Only 3 students I got, but I don't want to mention, you know very well who sent to me. Regularly they are sending, even they are sending this work, this much you gave, we completed. So that parents, you understand, please thank other parents, please complete. And those are sent it me already, for them really I appreciate. I am saying to you hardly thank you so much. And please, I have more requests to complete the work and send to me my email. My email is zbegum52@yahoo.com. Again and again I am giving to you, and even I am sending the snap also for easy. So please complete the work and send to me the work by my mail. Thank you so much. So our this second chapter completed, first chapter already completed, now second chapter complete this in the book only. Take the correct action and cross the wrong ones. Okay, so dear all, we will start today. What we will start today? Today we will start third lesson. Okay, so third lesson we will start. You have already books, so what the name of our third chapter? Introduction to MS Windows 7. So what we have learned in this subject, in this lesson, after this reading we should have some knowledge, like define operating system, identify Windows screen, identify Windows 7 desktop, identify components of desktop, identify gadgets, use run commands, shut down your computer. So we should inshallah knowing about this in this chapter. Okay, so I will start now. When you switch on the computer, you will notice a lot of changes taking place on the screen. These changes are caused by the operating system. As your brain control all the activities of your body, similar the operating system control all the activities of a computer. We have brain, we are thinking some good, we are imagining something, because we are human being, we can doing, but computer is have some commands. Whatever we are giving the commands, it is controlling and showing the activity according to our given the instruction. Okay, so operating system control all the activities of a computer, like our brain. You all are thinking, you all are thinking, but computer not thinking. Whatever we are keeping in their saving in their CPU, that we get back. Okay, what is an operating system? An operating system is a software that carries out all the important activities of the computer. It helps us to communicate with the computer. Okay, dear all, what is an operating system? Means an operating system is a software that carried out all the important activities of the computer. It helps us to communicate with the computer. Most computer use Microsoft Windows as an operating system. Microsoft Windows, MS Windows system is available in many forms called versions, such as MS Windows 98, MS Windows XP, MS Windows Vista and MS Windows 7. Nowadays mostly MS Windows 7 is used in our computer system. Even the new versions also came. At present some are using MS Windows 10 also. So let's learn us about the features of MS Windows 7. About MS Windows 7 we will getting the knowledge. Okay, MS Windows 7 is an operating system which run on your computer. I have Windows Computer 7. I am operating this Windows. Okay, in my laptop I have MS Windows 7. I don't know in your system which Windows is there. Help you to do a lot of work on the computer. MS Windows 7 looks like the picture given below. See, like this flower and like this is coming. Whatever you want, just type here. Okay, and here is the desktop. When MS Windows 7 started, a new screen appeared as shown in the figure below. This is called desktop. This whenever we are starting, we are keeping the password, we will put here password. After that is the MS7 Windows will appear. Okay, here is the some name is there. See, you can see these two icons, so it is called icons. Here is the starting button. When we are start the laptop or computer, button is there, it is called starting button. And here is the taskbar. Okay, this called taskbar, and this is the clock. You can easily understand this one. Okay, now come component of a desktop. So component of desktop, what are there? See, icon. You can see small pictures on the desktop. These, see, small pictures of this is called the icon. Whenever you start the computer, screen will appear, and whenever the work is finished, you can see the my computer recycle bin. This is called the icons. Others also is there, whatever, like clock also is there. Okay, that is called icon. You can see small picture on the desktop. These pictures are called icon. When you double click an icon, a file or program opens. Some important icons on the desktops are computer. My computer is there compulsory, okay, that in our system, in our laptop or our computer system. Recycle bin also, and etc. Desktop background. The picture or image that appear on the desktop is called desktop background. It can be changed from time to time. Like you just right click and go the desktop background. You know very well what you are doing in the mobile. You are giving some pictures and like background, almost you are giving your sister, brother, parents, or what happy picture is there, you are just giving the as a memory, and you will see the every day. So most of the student will do background, okay, desktop background. Now come to here taskbar. The band or strip like area that the button at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. It contains the start button in the left corner and clock in the right corner. Okay, see here, starting button, and here is the clock. Taskbar, this is the taskbar. Now come clock. You can see time and date in the right corner of the taskbar. See here, date and time. Whenever you are keeping your this icon, whenever you are keeping arrow, it will come the name. So if you are putting like clock side, it will show the time and date. Okay dear all, when you move the mouse pointer to the right corner, you will see date and time appear on the desktop. Now come here, start button. Okay, icon, you understand, desktop icon, whatever is the symbol like that is icon. Or sometimes we are making our school documents like some assignments, we are giving some name, that is called the icon also. Okay, and desktop background, we are giving some beautiful pictures. And taskbar, this is the taskbar. Here is the starting button, you can see here clock, and now this is the clock. You know very well clock. Start button, now you know also start button. Whenever you want any file, you just going like the start button, then you click, go to the search bar and search file name. Okay, now come start button. Start button, the button in the left corner of the taskbar, it is called start button. When you click on start button, a list of program is open. This list is called start menu. Okay, can you see this easily picture? Whenever you click here start button, see here start button is there, click start button, this all is coming. Which one you start, the you will select and double click, then you will get your file. Okay dear all student, then I am explaining to you less, so that whatever previous I gave work, you should complete in the book and copy, and this is the third lesson, complete in the copy. Now you know this is the, an operating system is the software that carried out all the activities. The computer, MS Windows 7 is the latest version of Windows. This all you should complete in the copy, even key terms, as well as please learn. If you not started your learning, question answers, fill in the blanks, maybe you will get problem. So better you start from the today. Okay dear all, please I have request to you, and this all work complete in the copy. Please send me whatever your work. Whenever you complete your work, please send your work. Okay, then I am keeping the marks and some gifts. whenever inshallah school will open, you will get soon inshallah. Thanks for your attention class. Thank you so much. Please stay at home and concentrate your studies. Remember in your all duas. Thank you so much. Bye.